This represents a pre-finished cabinet. Your face frame's been sprayed and your finished end has been sprayed in the booth. You probably already used pre-finished plywood on this, so it's built sitting off the side, waiting for this. You don't have to take the whole thing, put it together, mask it off, cardboard it off, go in and spray it. Don't have as much room taken up in your spray booth, so you can do an entire job this way with no marks. Okay, so we have different disc sizes for different operations. This disc here is for putting the face frame on first. It fits like this on the tool. It holds this out exactly to the thickness of your pre-finished material. Or, if you wish, you can put your panel on first, and then you can put your pre-finished face frame on using the same flat disc. Let me show you how it works. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the different disc and attach the face frame to put the panel on afterwards. Same operation. Set it where you want it. This sets it right there. Shoot it. Come around here. Oops, sorry. Switch your disc. Take the disc off. You can shoot from the outside now. And the tool will shoot up to a 4-inch frame. So now your face frame is completely attached. You're all done. You haven't had to sand anything. And then I cut this a little big. You can see this lines up perfectly flush. Ready to go. All you have to do is glue it on, ready to hardware. The Blindstapler was designed to leave no marks in the face of the cabinet, meaning there's no more putty, Bondo, sanding multiple times to get a good looking finish. And as you know, if you build hardwood cabinets with clear coat, you always will see whatever putty marks are in them, no matter what. Of course, no one needs to tell you what a huge savings in time and labor this tool will bring. Smaller shops are reporting to me that not having to putty and sand the face frames, their labor savings are amounting to $22,000 to $24,000 per year. If you pre-finish the cabinetry, the savings in masking, cardboarding, taking large cabinets to the spray booth instead of just the parts that need to be finished, the savings in time and labor will be much more significant. And always, we offer a 30-day money-back guarantee if you're not 100% satisfied. Thanks a lot.